Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorbed. 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 Absorbed is the past tense and past participle form of the verb absorb. It is used to describe an action or state in which something takes in or soaks up another substance or information. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she was so absorbed in her book that she didn't notice the time passing. Why absorbed is used in example number 1. In this example, absorbed is used here to describe her state of being deeply engaged in reading. Example number 2, during photosynthesis, plants absorbed sunlight and converted it into energy. Why absorbed is used in example number 2. Here, absorbed is used to explain the past action of plants taking in sunlight for energy conversion. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.